Thanks a lot.
How do you take, because you said you have filed your nomination paper today, so how do you feel?
Excited to see, to await the actual festival for democracy, waiting for the 26th.
But when we look into the real issue now, you see this time's election is very crucial and very critical also, because you have been attacked several times consistently. So don't you think this hampers your electoral process?
One thing I realize is it's not up to individuals. If the people are with you, and like the saying goes, when the people are with you, then God is also on your side. So I feel that the people of Manipur, they'll be on the side whichever is rational and where there is logic and reasoning. So whichever candidate offers the best possible way out, that is in a peaceful way and that is in a democratic way, I'm sure the people will stand by such candidate.
Okay, what sort of mandate do you want to carry on with the for this particular election? Mandate of the people?
See, the outer Manipur is a very complex constituency. You have all communities. You have, four major communities. That's the Muslims, the Meiteis, the Nagas, as well as Kukis. So you cannot polarize your votes to one particular community. You have to understand that the intricate details of how this constituency has been woven. You have to make sure that you live up to the expectations of all the different tribes, different communities living, and try and deliver that is the best possible way without hurting one or the other.
So in terms of the development, what will be, are you going for the election for the peace as well as for the development?
I think development is something which is definitely one of the most important factors that everybody vies for in a place like Manipur. See, there are things that we do constitutionally and there are things that we ask in the appeasement sort of way. I think it's time that the government of India did not look at Manipur and try to appease our people, but empower our people. And I think for that, whoever wins this time, especially if I do win, I'll try and make sure that our state is empowered, that we can make our own decisions for a better future.
All the best.
Thank you. Handak ekoi shimaina outer Lok Sabha constituency da Congress party na ayako lep shino haina ticket PB rakpa adugi India Alliance ki common candidate oina thagat ibise. The most important factor last 10-11 months shuk irang thok lai she shidi thingjan da ba yade misik mo pot she kyam kuine chathagani si chathari ba habe shidi common citizen makai da shok ribni mi praja shok pa habe she leader karamai ne hingi doribno leader sing leina leader nadi kam kai de have mong da challaga praja de hingbe yadra ba tar de shidi state leitaba ga chap mane ekoi no hojik wara obse praja leitaba de praja leitaduna wana lebje shidi rectify to da ba yaroi shidi war footing da akan ba decision lauraga mi ga nungai ningai na taba mi na ta thi ba yai mi na shau ba yai mi na nungai ba yai nungsi da ba yai chumna karamba na toraga lebak ki da makta shashonda praja ma gi democracy da habeshi security to one's life and property. Government ki duty shi basic purpose shi security to life and property ne. Ado shi nishi shi relief camp ta leri ba mayam shi masam sa ki property da hanjin bang ngamri bro last 10 months shi. Kana su ngamde property to hanjin na phangge dro be it in the valley, be it in the hills. Shi lo in ma kai rak pa shi fabric thugai rakhe. Fabric thugai ba shi force tari yaroi. By force the she ngamgani habishdi ngamge the border in Nahandi Russia na Ukraine thoiram grani or Israel na Palestine thoiram grani yade entire Middle East the Israel lang thokrani harisho adum khangre liris ni military might tadi force tadi yade shi samjan na ba habishdi nung shiba purak pa habishi tawai digi with all intentions to unite people torok pataba ashigi lambi shi de koi ngishi ehak nomination file to bishida ahanda Manipur prajala haining bishe this path to unifying a people and ensuring that the people live in peace and safety for their lives as well as their property. Abhishek, Ashida Changshan evening.